Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today we're going to be reading some more realistic fiction. We're going to read a story called Sky Color. Remember, realistic fictions are stories that are made up but could happen in real life. The characters will act like real people. The events could really happen. And remember the ways the pictures and words help you understand the story. When we're reading, you want to make smart guesses or inferences about things the author does not say. Use what you know and clues in the text and pictures to help you understand what the story is about. Some of the power words we're going to be using are artist, gallery, mural, rummaged. Let's get into the story. Sky Color by Peter H. Reynolds. Marisol was an artist. She loved to draw and paint. She even had her very own art gallery. Not all her art hung in a gallery. Much of it she shared with the world. She painted posters to share ideas she believed in. At school, Marisol was famous for her creative clothes, her box of art supplies, and her belief that everybody was an artist. Yes, Marisol was an artist through and through. So when her teacher told the class they were going to paint a mural for the library, Marisol couldn't wait to begin. The classroom buzzed with the sound of brainstorming. The students talked and sketched. Together they made a great big drawing. Then they marched to the library. I'll paint a fish. I'll paint one too. I'll paint the ocean. Marisol shouted. I'll paint the sky. Marisol rummaged through the box of paints, but could not find any blue. How am I going to make the sky without blue paint? The bell rang. It was time to put their brushes down for the day. As she climbed aboard the bus, Marisol kept wondering. All the way home, she stared out the window. The sun lowered closer to the horizon. Later at home, Marisol watched day turn into night. That night, Marisol settled into a deep dream. She drifted through a sky swirling with colors. The colors mixed, making too many to count. In the morning, Marisol stood waiting for the bus in the rain. The sky was not blue. She smiled. At school, Marisol raced to the library. She grabbed a dish and began adding colors. This one, that one. She swirled the brush to make an altogether new color. Marisol then began painting on the wall. A boy asked, "What color is that?" "That," Marisol said. "That is sky color." Now let's look at what the story is talking about. When we're making an inference, let's look at these questions. How does Marisol feel about making the mural? She's very excited about making the mural. Which details in the text and pictures helped you know? We can go back to where? On page 142 in our reading book, it says Marisol couldn't wait to begin. So that's where it tells us that she's excited about doing this. What color does Marisol think the sky is at the beginning of the story? She does think it's blue. Why does her idea change? Her idea changes because as she is being driven home on the bus, and when she's at home, she sees that the sky is a bunch of different colors. And when she gets up in the morning, the sky is gray from rainy clouds. So the sky doesn't have to be blue. Your writing assignment today is going to be a TV commercial for the paint called Sky Color. You have to come up with a commercial to describe Sky Color and why people should buy it and use it. Remember to give reasons for it. You can use this box to help you come up with your ideas on how to describe Sky Color. Then you're going to write out the words of your commercial for Sky Color. Remember to use describing words like verbs. Make sure you have subject-verb agreement. The verbs will help describe what Sky Color is and why people should buy it. The next few slides are actual read-alouds. We will be doing this in class, so you do not have to read those right now. I hope you enjoyed the story Sky Color. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.